You know what really grinds my gears? You know what really gets under my skin? Is people who say they hate racism, they hate slavery, but then turn around and praise the philosophy of the colonizer. They don't even realize that they're doing it. They don't realize they've been conditioned to love the mindset that oppressed their very ancestors. They'll condemn someone for not living how they think they should live, for not practicing their religion, choosing to live their lifestyle, their moral code. They'll just bash you, try to decide what you should choose, what should be in schools, what shouldn't be in schools, and anything that does not fit their purview, oh well, it's wrong. It must be bad, right? But what's the difference between that and the colonizer's mindset, family? I'll wait. See, look, this is colonization in real time. People love to talk about how they despise slavery, how they're against oppression. But when it comes to ideas, they carry the same torch as their oppressors. And here's where it gets real interesting. When folk criticize polygamy, not knowing polygamy was a way of life practiced by their ancestors before the colonizer even stepped foot on our land. Monogamy was not our natural way, it was imposed. And so now you guys are shaming, and you guys think you're upholding tradition, but you're upholding the colonizer's tradition. So you can't hate slavery and then say you love a philosophy. Okay? You can't despise the master, but then love his doctrine. It's sad, family. If you really studied history, if we actually took the time to learn before condemning, we would realize what we think is normal is forced upon us actually. You need to wake up. Okay? So I'll tell you this, family. I'm out here with my wives, right? And people will be condemning me for calling them my wives, as if the word wife existed after modern marriage. I don't need to go to the government to be able to call my woman my wife. But they'll say, well, you don't technically have to. They'll come with all of these things, but at the same time say they hate slavery. They'll swear that they were indigenous to this land, but actually literally be spitting on the culture that their ancestors practiced. I really wish you guys understand that polygamy was everywhere. It's how humans dated. It really is. Go look everywhere, family. When the colonizer got there, they uprooted polygamy. They forced monogamy on us. Why? Because humans are the true resources, okay? And we understood this then, and we built legacy and structures, and we stayed with our families, and we were happier and healthier. Now they got us out here trying to survive, and what they have now created for us to live by. And now we just praising it like it's the bee's knees, not knowing who we truly were. Yo, it blows my mind, yo. It literally does. If you say you're going to teach some religion in school, some other religion, they'll be mad, but their religion is fine. Their lifestyle's fine. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. It grinds my gears, yo. Because this is why the government will win, and we don't stand a chance. Because we love their ideas. We just say we hate what America is based on and founded on. But you love exactly how America runs right now. And I think if you saw another country that was practicing exactly like you used to practice, you would have nothing but condemnation. And you would believe those people were archaic. You would believe those people need to be domesticated. You would believe those people need to be taught civilization, should be civilized. That's what you would believe. You would believe that you probably have the right to go in and civilize them, right? That you have a right to tell them how they should live. That you have a right to dictate what they do with their life, right? That they can't use certain words for their spouse because you got something to say about it, right? That you don't believe that their relationship is official because you don't like their style of relationship, or that you think you should be able to survive in a relationship like that for it to be okay, right? So every person now who's involved in this relationship has got to be deceived. They have to be broken. They have to be insecure. They have to be something, that makes it make sense to you, right? And you get to shout this at those people, comment on these people's pages, say all this stuff to them, right? And that makes it right? Yeah, you love the colonizer. You believe that it's okay to come outside of yourself to tell somebody else how they should live and shame them for it. That's what you believe. You believe that. Well, I'll let you colonizers have it. Y'all can say y'all hate slavery. We just got out of Black History Month. But I'm watching a whole bunch of people who your ancestors practiced this lifestyle before the colonizers came and enslaved them. But I'm watching you say you hate slavery, but you love the mindset that the colonizer has. So leave it to you. You would tell your people polygamy is wrong. You would tell your people that not practicing religion is wrong, that they got to believe in whatever religion that this world says they got to believe in, right? That's what you would tell them, right? Well, then who do you think you are? You're a colonizer. It's just the facts, y'all. Wake up, family. Peace.